Hello friends, my name is Kunj Patel and welcome back to our channel. So we are going to make slime, children's favorite. So for this I took this small glue, transparent bowl, 2 spoons, washing powder, tap water. So first of all, you need to pour some glue in the transparent bowl. So 1 spoon glue came out of the glue bottle. So now take little bit of tap water and pour some washing powder in it. 2-3 spoons only. Last one. Now mix it well, or our slime will not become. The washing powder should dissolve in water. Now it is ready. Now take one spoon and try to mix it. Now mix it well. You can add any color or food color inside the slime. I'm gonna mix it with golden color. And mix it well. Now take it in a hand and mix it well. The slime is ready, but because of fevicol, it was less. The slime is little bit not pressable. So that's for it today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.